Close your eyes. Now imagine the calm of the ocean. Shells, coral, flowing water, right on your desk. Introducing the Gossy Coral Shell Tabletop Fountain, a masterpiece of ocean-inspired serenity. Handcrafted with lifelike shells, coral reefs, and sea fish, this fountain brings the tranquil energy of the sea into your home or workspace. The soothing water flow and soft LED lighting create a peaceful vibe, perfect for meditation, relaxation, or focused work. Made from high-quality resin, it's durable, low maintenance, and beautifully compact. Just plug it in and feel the stress wash away. Ideal for bedrooms, offices, or your favorite cozy corner, let the ocean breathe life into your space. Bring home your own piece of the sea with the Gossy Coral Shell Fountain.